Are you ready to transform your kitchen into a high-tech, super efficient space? Today, we're diving into the top 20 Amazon kitchen gadgets that upgrade any home kitchen. From futuristic tools you didn't even know existed to clever must-haves that make cooking effortless, these gadgets will completely change the way you cook, prep, and entertain. Stick around. You won't want to miss a single game-changing item. Number 1. Wonmake Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. The Wonmake Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set makes seasoning effortless and precise. With adjustable coarseness settings, it allows you to grind salt or pepper exactly how you like it. The rechargeable electric mechanism eliminates manual twisting, saving time and effort in the kitchen. Sleek and modern, these grinders fit comfortably in your hand and look great on any dining table. Ideal for home cooks and professional chefs alike, they make everyday seasoning fast, convenient, and mess-free. Number 2. Auoon Clip-On Silicone Pot Strainer. The Auoon Clip-On Silicone Pot Strainer turns draining pasta, vegetables, or liquids into a hassle-free process. Its flexible silicone design clips securely onto most pots and pans, preventing spills and burns. Heat-resistant and durable, it withstands high temperatures while staying safe for non-stick cookware. Easy to clean and store, this compact strainer is perfect for busy kitchens. Simplify meal prep, reduce mess, and save time with this innovative clip-on strainer, making draining food quick, safe, and convenient. Number 3. Zulay Kitchen Silicone Spoon Rest. The Zulay Kitchen Silicone Spoon Rest keeps countertops clean and utensils organized. Made from heat-resistant, flexible silicone, it safely holds hot spoons, spatulas, or ladles while cooking. The non-slip base ensures stability, and its easy-to-clean design makes it practical for daily use. Compact and stylish, it fits neatly next to stoves or counters. Perfect for home cooks or professional chefs, this spoon rest prevents messy surfaces, protects countertops from heat, and keeps your favorite tools within reach for smooth and efficient cooking. Number 4. Muellerliving Immersion Hand Blender 500 watts. The Muellerliving Immersion Hand Blender 500 watts is a versatile kitchen tool for soups, smoothies, sauces, and more. Its powerful 500-watt motor blends ingredients quickly and efficiently, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use. The detachable stainless steel shaft makes cleaning easy, and its compact design allows for convenient storage. Ideal for busy home cooks and culinary enthusiasts, this hand blender reduces mess, saves time, and delivers smooth, professional quality results, making meal prep faster and more enjoyable. Number 5. Aeropress Original Coffee Press. The Aeropress Original Coffee Press is a must-have for coffee lovers seeking smooth, flavorful brews at home. Its innovative design allows for quick brewing while minimizing bitterness and acidity. Lightweight, durable, and portable, it's perfect for home, office, or travel. Easy to assemble, use, and clean, it delivers consistent, high-quality coffee every time. Whether you prefer espresso-style shots or a regular cup, this coffee press provides barista-level coffee with minimal effort, making it an essential gadget for any coffee enthusiast. Number 6. Alpha Griller's Meat Shredder Claws. The Alpha Griller's Meat Shredder Claws make shredding cooked meat faster, easier, and safer. Perfect for pulled pork, chicken, or beef, these durable claws grip and tear meat effortlessly. Heat-resistant and ergonomic, they protect your hands from burns while providing a comfortable grip. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, they save time and reduce mess compared to forks or hands. Ideal for home cooks, BBQ enthusiasts, or professional chefs, these shredding claws simplify meal prep and help you achieve perfect, evenly shredded meat every time. Number 7. Zulay Kitchen Milk Frother Wand. The Zulay Kitchen Milk Frother Wand instantly transforms milk into creamy, frothy perfection. Its powerful motor whips milk for lattes, cappuccinos, hot chocolate, or iced beverages in seconds. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use, it fits comfortably in your hand and is perfect for home, office, or travel. Battery operated and simple to clean, this frother wand delivers cafe-quality drinks without leaving your kitchen. Coffee lovers and baristas alike will enjoy its convenience, speed, and ability to create smooth, professional-grade froth every time. Number 8. Feppo Handheld Vacuum Food Sealer. The Feppo Handheld Vacuum Food Sealer keeps food fresh longer and prevents spoilage. Its compact, battery-powered design creates an airtight seal on bags and containers with ease. Perfect for storing leftovers, snacks, or meal prep, it helps save money and reduce waste. Lightweight and easy to use, this handheld sealer is ideal for home kitchens, picnics, or travel. Ensure your food stays fresh, organized, and ready to enjoy with minimal effort using this convenient and efficient vacuum sealing tool. Number 9. Dash Mini Rice Cooker 0.5 quart. The Dash Mini Rice Cooker 0.5 quart is perfect for cooking small portions of rice, grains, or even steaming vegetables. Compact and easy to use, it fits any countertop or dorm kitchen. With a simple one-touch operation and automatic keep warm function, it ensures perfectly cooked rice every time. Non-stick inner pot makes cleanup effortless, while the energy-efficient design saves time and power. Ideal for singles, students, or small households, this mini rice cooker is a practical, convenient, and reliable kitchen companion. Number 10. Dash Fresh Pop Air Popcorn Maker. The Dash Fresh Pop Air Popcorn Maker delivers light, fluffy popcorn in minutes without oil. Its hot air popping system is fast, healthy, and mess-free, perfect for movie nights, parties, or snacks at home. Easy to use and clean, it includes a measuring cup for perfect portions and a butter melting tray for added flavor. Compact and stylish, it fits any kitchen counter. Popcorn lovers will enjoy quick, tasty results without the hassle, making it a fun and convenient gadget for families, students, and snack enthusiasts alike. Number 11. Once for All Safe Mandoline Slicer. The Once for All Safe Mandoline Slicer makes slicing fruits and vegetables quick, precise, and safe. Its adjustable blades allow you to create uniform cuts of varying thickness, while the protective handguard prevents accidents. Compact and easy to clean, it's perfect for busy kitchens or home cooks who value speed and safety. Durable and versatile, this slicer handles everything from cucumbers to potatoes with ease, helping you prep meals efficiently while keeping your fingers protected. Number 12. Euhomy Cold Press. Slow Juicer, the Euhomy Cold Press. Slow Juicer extracts maximum juice from fruits and vegetables while preserving nutrients and flavor. Its slow masticating technology reduces oxidation, producing fresh, smooth, and healthy juice. Easy to assemble, use, and clean, it's perfect for home juice enthusiasts. The compact, sleek design fits neatly in any kitchen, while the quiet operation ensures a pleasant experience. Ideal for smoothies, detox drinks, or daily nutrition, this juicer makes enjoying fresh, nutrient-rich beverages effortless and convenient. Number 13. Zulay Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater. The Zulay Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater is a versatile tool for grating hard cheeses, chocolate, nuts, and more. Its ergonomic handle and rotary mechanism make grating effortless and quick. Made from durable, high-quality materials, it's built to last and is easy to clean. Compact and stylish, it saves time compared to manual graters while producing uniform results. Perfect for busy home cooks or culinary enthusiasts, this grater adds convenience, precision, and efficiency to your kitchen prep. Number 14. Neretva 3.3-pound bread maker. The Neretva 3.3-pound bread maker machine makes baking fresh, homemade bread simple and convenient. With multiple settings for dough, bread, and jam, it offers versatility for any recipe. Its programmable timer allows you to wake up to fresh bread, while the non-stick baking pan ensures easy cleanup. Compact and easy to use, it fits perfectly on kitchen counters. Ideal for bread lovers, families, or anyone who enjoys fresh, warm loaves, this bread maker delivers consistent bakery quality results at home. Number 15. Divided Serving Tray Snackle Box. The Divided Serving Tray Snackle Box is perfect for serving snacks, fruits, or meals in an organized way. Its compartments keep food separate, maintaining freshness and presentation. Made from durable, food-safe materials, it's ideal for parties, lunchboxes, or picnics. Lightweight and easy to clean, this tray simplifies serving and makes portion control effortless. Whether you're hosting guests or packing meals on the go, the Divided Serving Tray is a practical and stylish solution for keeping your food neat and accessible. Number 16. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker makes cooking eggs quick, easy, and foolproof. From hard-boiled to poached or scrambled, it ensures consistent results every time. Its compact design fits any kitchen countertop, and the automatic shutoff feature prevents overcooking. Simple to use and easy to clean, it's perfect for busy mornings, meal prep, or student kitchens. Save time and enjoy perfectly cooked eggs without the hassle, making breakfast or snacks both convenient and delicious with this handy kitchen gadget. Number 17. Alpha Griller's Digital Meat Thermometer. The Alpha Griller's Digital Meat Thermometer provides precise temperature readings for perfect cooking every time. Its instant read sensor ensures accurate results for meats, poultry, and baked goods. With a clear digital display and easy-to-use interface, it eliminates guesswork while reducing overcooking or undercooking. Compact, durable, and portable, it's ideal for grills, ovens, or stovetop use. Perfect for home cooks, BBQ enthusiasts, and professionals alike, this thermometer ensures every meal is cooked safely, efficiently, and deliciously Number 18. Spring Chef Stainless Steel Swivel Peeler. The Spring Chef Stainless Steel Swivel Peeler makes peeling fruits and vegetables effortless. Its sharp, swiveling blade glides smoothly over surfaces, reducing waste and saving time. Ergonomic handle ensures comfort during extended use, while the durable stainless steel construction guarantees long-lasting performance. Easy to clean and compact for storage, it's perfect for home kitchens, meal prep, or professional use. Simplify your cooking tasks and enjoy consistent results with this reliable, versatile, and high-quality peeler. Number 19. Supmakin Manual Meat Slicer. The Supmakin Manual Meat Slicer makes slicing meats, cheeses, and vegetables simple and precise. Its adjustable blade allows for uniform thickness, while the stable base ensures safety during use. Compact, durable, and easy to clean, it's perfect for home kitchens, delis, or small catering tasks. Reduce prep time and effort while achieving professional quality slices every time. Ideal for culinary enthusiasts or anyone who wants precision and convenience, this manual slicer is a practical, efficient, and essential kitchen tool. Number 20. Neretva 21-quart Toaster Oven Air Fryer. The Neretva key. 21-quart toaster oven air fryer combines baking, toasting, and air frying in one versatile appliance. With multiple cooking functions and temperature settings, it delivers crispy, evenly cooked meals with less oil. The large capacity accommodates family-sized portions, while the compact countertop design saves space. Easy to use, clean, and maintain, it's perfect for busy home cooks seeking convenience, efficiency, and healthier cooking. Upgrade your kitchen with this multifunctional toaster oven air fryer for delicious results every time. That wraps up our top 20 Amazon kitchen gadgets that upgrade any home kitchen. Which gadget are you adding first to level up your kitchen? Comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more game-changing kitchen finds.